Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send XRP from Gemini to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll cover it step by step to ensure you do it securely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, moving your XRP to Trust Wallet gives you more control over your assets, allowing for easier management and staking opportunities. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Gemini account with XRP in it and that Trust Wallet is installed on your mobile device. If you haven't already, download Trust Wallet from your App Store and set it up. Once that's done, open Trust Wallet and add XRP to your wallet by searching for it in the app. It's usually under the Add Token or Receive section. This will generate a unique XRP address for you, which is crucial for the transfer. Now, head over to your Gemini app or website. Log in securely and navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. Select XRP from your list of assets. You'll need to enter the XRP address you just got from Trust Wallet. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, Gemini might have minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. In 2025, Gemini has streamlined this with enhanced security features like two-factor authentication, so make sure that's enabled on your account. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll likely get a confirmation email or notification. Review it carefully before approving. The transaction should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet to see when the XRP arrives. A quick tip: always use the official apps and verify addresses to protect against scams. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely in Trust Wallet. If you run into any issues, Gemini and Trust Wallet have excellent support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.